In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect different Trello cards and boards together, creating a two-way sync between them. Whether you're managing multiple projects across various boards, or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will help you achieve seamless integration in just a few easy steps. Let's begin by heading over to Trello.com. Once the site has loaded, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button right there on the home page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your details. Here, you have the flexibility to log in using either your email credentials or by connecting through a Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, head on over to your Trello boards. This is the main hub where all your projects live. Navigate to the Your Workspaces section. This is essentially where all your boards are organized. From here, identify and select the specific board you wish to work from. Keep in mind, organization and clarity in naming your boards can significantly improve your efficiency, so always aim for consistency. Within the selected board, find a card you want to connect. Opening the card will reveal a variety of options. Among them, you'll see an option labeled Mirror. This feature is central to our task today, allowing you to sync this card with another board. Now select the board to which you'd like to connect the card. You can think of this step as determining the destination for your card sync. It's crucial to carefully select the right board that relates to your project needs or workflow. With your destination board selected, the next decision involves picking the list and position where you'd like this mirrored card to appear. This placement is vital for maintaining an organized workflow and ensuring that the card is easily accessible to your team. Once you've made your decision, simply click on Mirror to complete the synchronization process. After setting up the mirror, you can close the menu. This action helps maintain a cleaner interface, allowing you to focus on other tasks without unnecessary distractions. Finally, to confirm that the process was successful, navigate to the board where you mirrored your card. You should now see the card listed there, indicating a successful two-way connection. By following these steps, you've effectively connected your Trello boards and synchronized the cards between them, streamlining your project management experience. This capability not only saves time but enhances teamwork and collaboration, making Trello an even more powerful tool for managing your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.